welcome back to our Prelims PYQ series in which we're solving Prelims PYQs from 1979 to 2024. तो बता दूं ये लगभग 45 years plus के questions हैं and it is arranged theme wise and subject wise. Same question will appear on the PYQ portal of the Edukemi and the class notes will be provided for that. Our PSP Prelims Support Program 2025 is going on. You can check out its features. So let's start with today's topic. Today's topic is personalities and books newspaper. It is a part one of video. For other video, you can check out the playlist. Question number one. आज in 1979, who said first, Swaraj is my birthright and I shall have it? बहुत easy question है अगर modern history अच्छे से पढ़ रहे हैं. It was Tilak who told this. Moving to next question. You can see Lokmanya Tilak, who is also known as Bal Gangadhar Tilak, said that Swaraj is my birthright and I shall have it. He died on 1920 August 1 in Mumbai. Next question, question number two. The Home Rule movement was launched by 1979 का क्वेश्चन है, बहुत इजी है, एनी बेसेंट. अगर आपको डाउट हो कि तिलक है कि एनी बेसेंट है, गो विद द एनी बेसेंट, नॉट गांधी, नॉट राजपथ राय. It was between Annie Besant as well as Tilak also launched, but it was Annie Besant who launched the Home Rule movement. Tilak Home Rule movement first was started by Annie Besant. Tilak also started the Home Rule movement, but both started the movement in different region. But अगर पहले जो start किया था Annie Besant. Here are some of the components of PSP. You can check out its feature and take the screenshot of it. And here are some of the USPs of our PSP. You can take the screenshot of it and read by yourself. क्वेश्चन नंबर थ्री. इनकलाब जिंदाबाद स्लोगन वाज गिवन बाय. अब बहुत इजी क्वेश्चन है, आपने सब मूवीज में देख रहा होगा. इट इज भगत सिंह. द स्लोगन वाज पॉइंट बाय उर्दू पोएट, इंडियन फ्रीडम फाइटर एंड सोशलिस्ट मौलाना हजरत मोहानी इन 1921, बट इट वाज पॉपुलराइज्ड बाय भगत सिंह. तो उस ऑप्शन के हिसाब से भगत सिंह इज द आंसर ड्यूरिंग द लेट 1920s. इंडिया विंस फ्रीडम वाज रिटन बाय. इंडिया विंस फ्रीडम रिटन बाय, बहुत इजी क्वेश्चन ये भी. मौलाना अबुल कलाम आजाद इज द राइटर ऑफ इंडिया विंस फ्रीडम. ये आप ध्यान रख ले, इसके नोट जरूर बना लेंगे आप. अगर आपने पीवाईक्यू के नोट्स बना रखे हैं, इट विल बी वेरी इजी फॉर यू. क्वेश्चन नंबर फाइव. स्वराज पार्टी वाज फाउंडेड बाय. स्वराज पार्टी मोतीलाल नेहरू एंड सी आर दास के द्वारा फॉर्म किया गया था, तो मोतीलाल नेहरू इज द आंसर. स्वराज पार्टी was formed by Motilal Nehru and C.R. Das, which is Chittaranjan Das, in order to fight British colonialism from within and give the people of India a responsible and responsive government by making the colonial state accountable. Next question. Our CSAT course is being launched and it is taken up by Devender sir. You can check out the features here and take the screenshot and scan this QR code. Let's move to next question, which is question number six. Rabindranath Tagore surrendered his title to the British because of Jallianwala Bagh massacre. अगर आपने मेरे previous videos देखे हैं modern history के, then it would be very easy for you to solve this question. Answer is Jallianwala Bagh. Next question. Who evolved the national consciousness as a formal concept? अगर फॉर्मल कंसेप्ट की बात करूं नेशनल कॉन्शियसनेस, इट वाज सुरेंद्र नाथ बनर्जी. इसमें से जो सबसे पहले होगा वही पॉसिबल है कि उन्होंने ही नेशनल कॉन्शियसनेस जगाई होगी. तो इट वाज नॉट गांधी, इट वाज नॉट नेहरू. तिलक एंड सुरेंद्र नाथ बनर्जी के बीच में अगर आपको डाउट हो सकता है, तो नॉट तिलक, इट वाज सुरेंद्र नाथ बनर्जी हु वाज आल्सो मॉडरेट. Surendra Nath Banerjee evolved a national consciousness as a formal concept. He was a political leader of the party Indian National Congress, who was born in the year 1848. He was the founder of first nationalist organization called as Indian National Association. Now, this is the note picking part. ये आपके notes पे होने चाहिए. क्वेश्चन नंबर 8 पे आते हैं. The Prime Minister of the interim government of India after the independence was Nehru. ये very easy question. Jawaharlal Nehru took charge as first PM of India on 15th August 1947 and chose 15 other members. Vallabhbhai Patel served as the first deputy PM until his death on 1950. Who was the founder of Servants of India Society? अब इस पे सर्वेंट्स ऑफ इंडिया सोसाइटी जनरली डाउट होता है, लोगों को कंफ्यूज होते हैं, लेकिन ये बहुत इजी क्वेश्चन है. अगर हम देखें तो इसमें आंसर लगभग जी के गोखले, गोपाल कृष्ण गोखले हैं. नॉट के एम रॉय, नॉट गांधी, नॉट तिलक. ये आप नोट बना ले. कुछ क्वेश्चंस आपको रटने पड़ेंगे, तो आपको रटना जरूरी है. पीवाईक्यू में ये पूछा गया है, तो आप फिर से ये इस टाइप के क्वेश्चन एक्सपेक्ट कर सकते हैं. द सर्वेंट्स ऑफ इंडिया सोसाइटी वाज फाउंडेड इन 1905 by Gopal Krishna Gokhale. Gopal Krishna Gokhale was also the political guru of Mahatma Gandhi. Gokhale was considered as leader of moderates of the pre-independent Congress from whom Gandhi drew inspiration. इसी से हम इन्फर कर सकते हैं कि गांधी के जो पॉलिटिकल गुरु थे वो जी के गोखले थे. The Indian patriot who died in jail due to hunger strike was. आपने अगर मूवीज में देखा होगा तो इट वाज जतिन दास हु डाइड इन जेल ड्यू टू हंगर स्ट्राइक. नॉट बोस, नॉट भगत सिंह, नॉट बिपिन चंद्रपाल. The conditions of British prisoners in the same jail was strikingly different. Jatin Das hunger strike started on 13th July 1929 and lasted 63 days. The jail authority took measures to forcibly feed him. Jatin died on 13th of September 1929. Next question पे आते हैं. Question number 11. Which of the following is not a tenet of Gandhian socialism? 1980 का क्वेश्चन है. अगर मैं देखूं तो गांधीयन सोशलिज्म के बारे में बात करूं तो सोशल जस्टिस वाज देयर, concern for the poor but not hatred for the rich was there, equality of opportunities for all was there, but nationalization of all means ये कभी नहीं कहा गांधी जी ने. This is the answer D. Gandhian socialism is a branch of socialism based on nationalist interpretation of the theories of Mahatma Gandhi. Gandhian socialism generally centers on Hind Swaraj or Indian Home Rule, authored by Gandhi. The key features are federation of political and economic power, demonstrating traditional reluctance towards modernization of technology, large scale industrialization while emphasizing self employment and self reliance. 12th, Gandhiji opposed the untouchability and he wanted dash. इस पे आते हैं. Urgent to revolt? No. He never wanted any kind of revolt. Untouchability to declare as crime? No. The people of India to give treatment of equality to the untouchables? He always wanted long lasting solution. The answer is this. अगर पीपल ऑफ इंडिया ही सबको इक्वालिटी के ट्रीटमेंट देने लग जाएंगे तो अनटचेबिलिटी जड़ से खत्म हो जाएगी. तो इस वजह से गांधी जी ऑलवेज वेंट फॉर द लॉन्ग सस्टेनेबल सॉल्यूशन. सो बी इज द आंसर. फोर्थ में देख लेते हैं. रेवोल्यूशन ही नेवर वांटेड एनी काइंड ऑफ रेवोल्यूशन. Who among the following was responsible for the revival of Hinduism in 19th century? 19th century में कौन revival of Hinduism के लिए रिस्पॉन्सिबल था? तो इट वाज स्वामी दयानंद सरस्वती 1875 who revived Hinduism. इसके बाद स्वामी विवेकानंद लगभग 1893 में he gave the speech. Fine. The answer here is A. But there is a conflict between Dayanand and Saraswati. In some parts, UPSC has taken Swami Vivekananda's answer, but अगर question आता है तो you'll talk about Swami Dayanand because his Arya Samaj was established in 1875 and it was a revivalist movement. Next question. Under whose leadership the Indian National Army was formed? Indian National Army किसके leadership में बनी है? तो सबको पता है. इन चारों ऑप्शन में वेरी इजी. सुभाष चंद्र बोस. Answer is B. Indian National Army as an armed force was formed by Indian nationalist Bose in 1942 in Southeast Asia during World War II. 15th आते हैं. Who wrote वंदे मातरम? वंदे मातरम किसने लिखी है? 1981 का क्वेश्चन है. Not Tagore, not Azad, not Bose. It was Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. The song Vande Mataram, composed in Sanskrit by Bankim Chandra Chatterjee, was a source of inspiration. It has an equal status with Jana Gana Mana. The first political occasion when it was sung was in 1896 session of the Indian National Congress. ये आप note कर लीजिए. With this, we complete our video and stay tuned for other parts. Thank you.